Ava and the Garden's Magic. Ava's grandmother had a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers and butterflies. Every summer, Ava helped her water the plants and pull out weeds. One day, her grandmother told her a story about a fairy who lived among the flowers and watched over the garden. Ava was captivated and decided to leave little gifts for the fairy, like tiny flower petals and acorn cups filled with water. Each morning, she'd check if the fairy had visited, imagining signs of her tiny footprints in the soil. Although she never saw the fairy, the garden felt more magical than ever. Ava learned that imagination could make ordinary places feel extraordinary. Her grandmother smiled, happy to see Ava enjoying the beauty of nature in her own special way.